You can easily cancel a single entry or a few entries for a fixed asset, and that's something that you do from the fixed asset ledger entry page. Let me show you an example. So I will go to fixed assets, and let me take the forklift truck. So you can select the asset, click on Navigate History, and go to the ledger entries. So here we have the ledger entries, and suppose that for some reason the depreciation for the company book for April is wrong. It's the wrong amount, maybe the wrong number of days, whatever. So, and this is something that we need to correct. So the first thing that you can do now is cancel the entry. So I can click here on More Options, Actions, Functions, and then Cancel Entries. So if you want, you can use a new posting date, but let me stick to the original one. So next I will click on OK, and this is very important, the ledger entries have been transferred to the journal. So like I already mentioned, if you run functions in the fixed assets application area in Business Central, the program will never post directly. It always prepares entries in a journal, in this case the fixed asset GL journal. And this is because we are working with a depreciation book that has GL integration enabled. All right, so let me search for the fixed asset GL journal. And here you can see now the one entry. So the only thing left for me to do is click on Actions, Functions, and then insert fixed asset balancing account. And so based on the posting group, the system now creates the balancing account for the depreciation account with, of course, the credit amount in this case. So, and now I'm ready to post. Now, and this is something that is not only interesting, but also very important. If you use this function, especially for depreciation entries, you will see that the program doesn't only reverse the amounts, but also the number of depreciation days, you see? Now, and this is very useful because this will enable me to recalculate the depreciations for that period. And that's something that I will show you in one of the following examples. So in this case, let's just go ahead and post the lines. There you go, and everything is posted. Now, let's go back to the fixed asset. Because what you notice, if I select the forklift truck, click on Navigate History, Ledger Entries, is that the depreciation for the company depreciation book, so the depreciation entry, is not displayed here anymore. So it seems that the program has deleted the entry, but Business Central will never delete posted entries. So what happened here is that the entry is replaced to another view. So let's click here on Navigate History, and let's now go to the error ledger entries. So in here you can see the initial, the wrong entry, so the depreciation entry that we posted at the time, and here you can see the correction. You see, so or it's the other way around. This is depreciation, this is the correction. But most important is that if you use the cancel function, Business Central will automatically post these entries or display the entries in the fixed asset error ledger entries page, as you can see here